Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change lock screen pin on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to open your settings application on your Samsung Galaxy phone. And after you have the settings application opened, you can scroll down until you find the lock screen setting. Just open the lock screen setting, and here you have to select screen lock type. Okay, and as you can see guys, I'm using the pattern for my lock screen, and if you are using the pin lock type and you want to change it, you will be able to change it right here. Just click on the pin option and you can change the pin as you want. You just need to follow the instruction from the Samsung Galaxy phone to change your pin. Alright guys, and that is how basically we can change our lock screen pin on the Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.